Indulge in the heavenly aroma of spiced coffee with cream. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious recipe for spiced coffee with cream. Get ready to indulge in the aromatic flavors of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, perfectly complemented by a creamy finish. Let's jump right into it. Ingredients: 1 cup freshly brewed coffee, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, adjust to taste, 1/2 cup milk or cream. Whipped cream, optional. Cinnamon sticks, for garnish, optional. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Using your preferred method. Make sure it's strong and hot. In a small bowl, mix together the ground cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and cardamom. Pour the brewed coffee into a mug. Add the spiced mixture to the coffee and stir well to combine. Adjust the amount of spices according to your preference. Add brown sugar to the spiced coffee and stir until dissolved. You can adjust the amount of sugar based on how sweet you like your coffee. In a small saucepan, heat the milk or cream over medium heat until hot but not boiling. Alternatively, you can heat the milk in the microwave. Froth the hot milk using a milk frother or whisk vigorously until it becomes creamy and frothy. Pour the frothy milk over the spiced coffee in the mug. Optionally, top the spiced coffee with a dollop of whipped cream and sprinkle some additional ground cinnamon on top. Garnish the mug with a cinnamon stick, if desired. Serve the spiced coffee hot and enjoy. And there you have it, our spiced coffee with cream recipe. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy a cozy afternoon. Don't forget to give it a try and let us know how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coffee recipes, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.